today's video, we are going to talk about why social media management is important for your brand. So without further ado, let's dive in. All right, guys, so I have 3 reasons why social media management is actually very beneficial for your business. The very first reason is because social media helps position you in front of your clients. Let's dig a little bit deeper into what that means. By really utilizing and showing up on social media, you are going to be seen as an expert in front of your clients. Think about it this way. Your ideal clients cannot buy from you if they do not even know that you exist. You need people to know that your business exists and it's out there and is able to solve a specific need that your ideal customer or consumer has, right? In order to do that, you want to show up on your social media. You need to be more present so this way people can easily find you and say, hey, this is my go-to person. It takes someone about 7 times to see your messaging before they actually buy from you. So this means the more consistent you can get, the better it will be for you and that consumer. So their need, their problem can directly be solved. If you have been hustling, praying, and just really working hard at your business, but you are still stuck at super low income months or pretty much no income at all, I see you. It's probably because nobody ever showed you how to build a business that is going to actually glorify Jesus. And that is why I created my checklist to 10K. It is a freebie checklist with instructional steps on how to actually surrender your business to the feet of Jesus and every action step that you need to take strategically in between to growing and scaling your business to $10,000 months. Now, you may be wondering, what's the price of this? It's free. It is something that I created for you to use so you can grow and you can scale your business all for the free. So honey, what are you waiting for? You're not lazy. You just need strategy and someone to walk you step by step on growing and scaling your business. Go grab your guide for free in the description below. Let's get back to today's video. The second reason why social media management is important for your business actually ties into the first point. It's that social media can really help to showcase your brand on a more global level than ever before. In the past, before social media existed, people were able to seek out their ideal clients through advertisements, right? So we're talking television ads, billboards, all of these different resources, which today cost so much money for a small business owner. Social media is free, so you should be definitely taking advantage of the platform in and of itself. When you take advantage of it properly, your brand can be recognized worldwide. More and more people can start to find you. They can share your name and your messaging without having to throw thousands of dollars into resources. Gone are the days where your business stays local. Now, with social media, your business can honestly be anywhere in the world. How amazing is that? That your next client can come from Madrid, Spain, or it can come from Toledo, Spain, or it can come from Greece, right? That's amazing. Your next client can come from South Africa. By positioning your brand strategically on social media, you have a chance of increasing brand awareness on a global scale, which is so incredibly powerful. The third reason why social media management is so incredibly important is because social media helps you to build a community. Remember how I said that it takes someone about 7 times to see your messaging and to see your brand before they actually buy? Well, that can be expedited just by building a community on your socials. There's great platforms out there. Instagram is my favorite, and this is going to be all about Instagram. This entire module will be all about Instagram. Because Instagram management is really where you are going to be able to build the community that trusts you and that connects with you and that you can chat with back. I love Instagram as a platform. So here's what I mean by building a community. Instagram allows you to have DMs with people, right? The more of your followers you know, connect with, and engage with through your DMs, the better it's going to be for you. The easier it is for you to build that connection, that rapport, and have a sense of community with them, the more likely they're going to trust you, and it expedites them having to see your brand 7 times. Now they're having real connection with you, the business owner, or the business as a whole. Now they trust the person behind the business. They trust the people that are working on their account or working for them in some capacity or selling them a product. And now they're more likely to buy because they have a relationship with you. Then that goes into what I said as my second bullet point in reference to how it's going to help your ideal audience to be able to share your message on a larger scale, right? Your brand can be seen globally. Well, builds community and connection. You never know who that individual follower that you're speaking with in the DMs is actually connected to. It's so important to have brand visibility, and Instagram is an amazing platform to do so. In this video, you should have learned 3 reasons why it's so imperative that you are building your brand on a social media platform. The first reason is really that your brand is going to increase awareness, which ties into my second reason, that your brand can be seen on a global level. And then the third reason is that social media can help you to build a community of loyal and engaged followers that don't need as much time to actually convert into sales. I hope that you found this video helpful.